The GoPro is great, but the one constant sticking point is battery life. It can do time-lapse recording, but while recording, 40 minutes may not be enough for all situations, and it doesn't get more than a few hours when on and not recording. So I'm going to build an external battery pack for it, and then I'm going to test it out by time-lapsing the construction of our new workbench. I also plan on using this to record footage of the Around the Bay ride, which is hopefully actually happening this year. I've got a spare battery for my bike light. It turns out that their warranty procedure for replacing a dead-on-arrival light involves filing a support ticket, having it and several follow-ups completely ignored, then filing a credit card charge back and buying it again. But anyway, this battery can be attached to a helmet as the light also can be. Now, obviously it wouldn't be safe to have an extension cable all the way down to the bike, so you can mount the battery there. But now, all we've got to do is make an adapter from this light to 5V DC and a USB plug for the GoPro. To do this, we'll use a Pololu DC to DC converter board which outputs 5V at 3A, more than enough to run a GoPro. Making good use of the Ulanzi battery cover, which includes a hole for the USB port, being aware of course that it's now not waterproof, we can connect this battery to the GoPro and it should be good for many hours of recording. So let's just leave it there, recording a time lapse as we build a new workbench and see how long until it runs flat. At this point it was just left recording to see how long it would last. It finally ran flat at 1:11am after being started at 9:58am, meaning it ran for about 15.5 hours. This was much better than the standard 40 minutes, and the new workbench was much better than our old one. Stay tuned for more and see you next time.